Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to work through a simple looking math problem that actually tricks a lot of people. So make sure you stay focused all the way through because this is where many students make a common mistake. And the problem is 90 plus 60 divided by 2. Now, before you rush to answer, take a few seconds and think about it carefully because the way you approach it matters a lot. And many people quickly add 90 and 60 to get 150, then divide by 2 to get 75. And they feel confident that this is correct, but unfortunately that answer is wrong. And the reason it is wrong is because math is not just about doing operations randomly. It follows a specific rule called the order of operations, also known as PEMDAS. And this rule tells us the exact order we must follow to get the correct answer every single time. So let's break it down step by step in a very clear way. PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and addition and subtraction. And the key thing to remember is that multiplication and division are on the same level and are solved from left to right. And the same goes for addition and subtraction. So, going back to our problem, 90 plus 60 divided by 2. The first step is to check for parentheses, and we do not have any here. The next step is to check for exponents like squares or cubes. And again, there are none. So now we move to multiplication and division, and we see 60 divided by 2. So we must solve that first before doing any addition. 60 divided by 2 equals 30. So now the expression becomes 90 plus 30. And finally, we perform the addition to get 120. And that is the correct answer. Now let's take a moment to really understand why so many people get this wrong. Most mistakes happen because people ignore the order of operations and just go from left to right without thinking. But math is not always left to right. It follows priority rules. And if you ignore those rules, you will get the wrong answer even if your calculations are correct. Now let's look at more examples so you can fully understand PEMDAS and avoid these mistakes in the future. For example, consider 8 minus 2 times 3. If you go left to right, you might do 8 minus 2 to get 6. Then multiply by 3 to get 18. But that is incorrect because multiplication comes before subtraction. So you first do 2 times 3, which equals 6, and then subtract from 8 to get 2. Now let's try another example. 12 divided by 3 plus 1. Again, many people will add first and get 4 divided by 4 equals 1, which is wrong. The correct way is to divide first. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Then add 1 to get 5. Now let's increase the difficulty a little with parentheses. Consider 10 minus 5 times open bracket, 10 minus 5 close bracket. So 10 minus 5 equals 5. Then we multiply 5 by 5 to get 25. And finally subtract from 10 to get negative 15. And this shows how powerful PEMDAS is because it keeps everything organized and consistent. Now, going back to our original problem, 90 plus 60 divided by 2. The correct answer is 120, not 75. And if you got 75 earlier, do not worry because that mistake is very common. And now you understand why it happens and how to fix it. Learning from mistakes is one of the best ways to improve in math. So keep practicing and always follow the correct steps. And before we end this video, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another problem. And I will see you in the next video.